guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ambika. कैसे हैं आप लोग? I hope you guys are doing amazing. And whenever I sit in front of the camera without makeup, that means either it's gonna be a skincare video or a makeup video. And since I've already made a lot of makeup videos on my YouTube channel, I just thought of doing a skincare video today because it's been so long I've not filmed any skincare videos. I just thought of making a skincare video, and this inspiration also came from the fact that today when I was doing my nighttime skincare routine, I realized that I'm running out of some of my favorite skincare products. So I thought before I completely run out of them, let me show you guys those products and share with you all my honest opinions. So yes, these are Medicube products and I wanted to give you guys my honest opinion, and this video is not sponsored. Now you guys must be wondering, Ambika, you posted on Instagram that you got a collaboration from Medicube. So yes, I got a collaboration from Medicube, but that was for an Instagram reel. This video is not at all sponsored and I'm going to give you my honest opinion on Medicube. Trust me, this is not a PR thing. I'm genuinely going to give you my honest opinion, and also I'm going to try this viral micro needling cream that is all over the internet. When Medicube launched it, it was like boom, it was viral all over my socials, and I was really scared by what people were saying about that product. They were like, oh, it's slightly painful, it's like slightly irritating on the skin, it's like those micro needles, you know, pinching your skin when you apply that cream. So I was quite nervous and I did so much research, but I was still very hesitant to use that. But not today. I'm going to apply that in front of you guys. So I already applied it a few days back and I felt the results were amazing, and I really wanted to do it, like apply that cream in front of you guys and tell you if honestly it's painful or not. So yeah, I'm quite excited for this video. So without wasting further time, let's begin this video. So before starting the video, let me just clip my hair clips, and I've already done the face wash, guys. So I'm gonna do my skincare straight away. I'm having a lot of baby hairs lately, so they all comes on my face. So starting off with this Medicube Zero Pore Pad 2.0. These are so amazing toner pads, guys. Let me show you all. So I'm literally running out of these pads. As you guys can see, I only have one toner pad left in this. That is why I was in a hurry to make this video before I throw this box in the dustbin. So while I apply the toner pad on my face, I'm also gonna tell you guys the benefits of these toner pads. So these toner pads are multi-functional. You just have to take one toner pad and you have to just apply gently on your face, exfoliate your skin, refines pores, and also reduce the production of sebum. So sebum is basically the oil and wax that your skin secretes, so it reduces that. So talking about the chemical exfoliation thing, this contains AHA, BHA and PHA, which are basically the chemical exfoliants. I've been using the Beauty of Joseon chemical exfoliator. This also has AHA, BHA. But guys, when I applied this, I went crazy. This is so good because this also has tea tree extract, which calms my skin, and also this has niacinamide that brightens my skin and smooths it. So I love it. So my skin is not like sensitive, so people who have like sensitive skin, they can apply this 1 or 2 times a week, and people who have like dry and combination skin, they can use it daily, because this product does not have a lot of chemical exfoliation in it. It has tea tree and niacinamide along with this, so it's not going to irritate your skin at all. But definitely do a patch test. So I'm gonna quickly apply this toner pad on my face and I'm gonna leave it like this. So that was the last toner pad that I had. It's all over. I can throw this box now, and I'm definitely going to repurchase this because oh my god, this was super crazy. With my this, I'm already done with my toner, and let's move on to another product. So Medicube launched these two crazy amazing product, which is Medicube's One Day Exosome Shots in 7500 and Medicube Exosome One Day Shot in 2000. So these are the two products that I was talking about. These are the micro needling products. So basically they are liquid boosters for your skin, and in Korea micro needling is considered to be like a high-end skincare treatment, and Medicube made it easy for us by bringing them into the bottle. Initially I was very nervous to use this product. So this basically contains tropical exosomes and spicules. What this basically does is when you apply this cream on your face, this actually pinches like a needle on your skin, and it produces the collagen on your skin that reduces those pores you see on your face. So this is really crazy, and initially I was very nervous to use this because I felt like I read a lot of review and people were like, oh, this has this tickling feeling. People with sensitive skin were like, oh, this brings a lot of redness, and they were like giving all the bad reviews about it when this went viral. So I really wanted to try by myself. Like, I'm already scared of the fact that there is a concept like micro needling that people are getting done in the treatments, and having a bottle like this, what if this, you know, turns out to be a disaster on my face? So I was really scared to use this, but then I did once and I was amazed by the result that this gave. So today I'm gonna try this product in front of you guys, and I'm gonna tell you if this actually irritates the skin, brings redness. You guys will see it on your own. So what I've done is I've already done my toner. I'm gonna apply this. So I did a lot of research and I realized that if you apply these exosome shots after toner before any serum, it works perfect, because once you apply this and post applying this exosome shots, if you apply any cream or like serum, that gives you even better results, because the skin really absorbs the cream and serums even better. So I'm gonna apply this now, and I'll take a little bit of this. I am applying the 2001. You initially need to start with the 2000 cream and then you can move on to the 7001. So I've just taken a little bit of it and I'll just apply it on my face. I think that's enough, and I will just rub it very gently on my face. This product will give you slight tickling. It will feel like as if some needles are pinching on your face, because obviously this is micro needling. But if it does not pinch your skin, that means it is not the right product. So you will feel slightly tickling, and for beauty we can bear that. But it's not too much. I've seen the reviews, people were like going crazy telling, oh, this gives a lot of tickling and it's, you know, and they can't bear it. It's not at all like that. You just get slight tickling, and you get that slight tickling when you massage it on your face, and it is recommended to massage it on your face. So you guys have seen that I've applied it in front of the camera, and yeah, I have a little bit extra left. So I'm gonna apply it on my nose area because I have a lot of pores this side only. Just make sure that you're not applying this on your like eyelid or like under eye or on your lips. It's not recommended, so don't do that. And also, if you buy this, do a little bit patch test on your hand, and if you have like really irritating and like sensitive skin, then I would say you can skip using this product. But for people with dry combination skin and people who can generally bear all sort of skincare products like I can, you can definitely try this. This is really worth it. So this is perfect for like hydration and boosting your skin. And if I talk about the application, the 2001 you can apply it daily, but if I talk about the 7500 one, because it's like upper version or like more concentrated than the 2001, so I would recommend that you can apply this once a week but not daily. But the 2001 you can apply it daily. After I'm done with applying these Medicube Exosome Shot, I can apply either any cream or serum, and it's going to get absorbed in my skin even better. So I am going to tell you guys about the next product now, which is Medicube's PDRN Pink Peptide Serum. And I'm gonna apply this serum after these exosome shots. So this serum, first of all guys, let's appreciate the packaging and the color. The color is to die for. I've never seen such beautiful skincare products. So I'm gonna apply this. This actually have three ingredients in it. Peptides that definitely helps in the production of collagen. Then this has niacinamide for brightening and soothing the skin, and it also has hyaluronic acid, of course, for providing extra moisture and moisturizing to your skin. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this and I'm gonna apply it on my face, and I'll just gently. When you will apply the serum, even after some time, the exosome shots are definitely going to be a little tickling, so just ignore that. This is such a lightweight serum. If you guys are not applying the exosome shots, you can still apply this serum post your toner. I absolutely love the fact that this serum has all the three things that are really important. I used to apply the hyaluronic acid from L'Oreal and the niacinamide from Beauty of Joseon, and I was not really introduced to the collagen serum, collagen boosting serum. So I think this has all the three things and it's just perfect. After applying this serum, I'm gonna go to another product, which is the Medicube Collagen Jelly Cream. This is like a moisturizer and you can apply it post your serum, and if you don't want to apply any serum, you can apply it directly after the toner as well. Let me show you guys how this look, and you guys can see I use this. So because I use this on alternate basis, I have other creams as well. This is not yet finished, but I love the texture and how thick this is. This contains hydrolyzed collagen that actually gives your skin that firmness, and hyaluronic acid for giving extra hydration. This also contains panthenol that smooths and nourishes your skin. So I've just taken a little bit of it, and you can see how thick this cream is. I think it's a perfect moisturizer. It feels so nice. It has this jelly sort of texture and really thick and hydrating. I love thick moisturizers. I don't like those liquid moisturizer, and because it is like infused with a lot of hydrolyzed collagen and hyaluronic acid and panthenol, I think it's a perfect moisturizer for your skin. I am done with my nighttime skincare routine, but wait guys, I still have a lot of product to tell you guys about, and you will be just impressed by these products, so watch till the end. Then I have your favorite product, and it is also very viral on Instagram, which is Medicube's Collagen Night Wrapping Mask. And this guys, this contains niacinamide, collagen extract and ceramides, basically hydrolyzed collagen. So this helps in giving the firmness to your skin. It also locks the moisturizer overnight, so you just have to take a little bit of it from this any of your mask brush. So you just have to take a little amount of this. You guys can see how this looks. It actually dries on your skin, so you just have to take a little bit of this on your brush, like not this much. Of course I'm not applying on my face, so I've just taken a little bit to show you guys on my hand, and then you just have to apply it like this all over your face, and you have to leave it overnight, and in the morning you can literally peel the mask out. So this is so good and so hydrating mask. It also has some ingredient that actually gives a lot of light cold sort of sensation, so which is very hydrating and refreshing in the morning. I absolutely love to apply this mask. And if you guys don't want to buy this mask, you can also buy the Medicube's like sheet mask. So I have these sheet masks. I had 4. I've already applied 1, and they're actually good. So they are not like general masks that you have like of these Nykaa and all that just apply like that. They're actually slightly thick mask that you can apply on your face, and then you can remove it in the morning. So these are basically Medicube's PDRN Pink Collagen Gel Mask. Again, they have niacinamide and sodium DNA and hydrolyzed collagen, perfect for giving extra hydration and brightness to your skin. What I have felt that these Medicube products almost have similar ingredients, so if you want to try, you can try like one product in a particular category. Mostly all of these products have like collagen boosting except the toner pad. So yeah, let's move on to the other product, which is the last product, that is Medicube's Deep Vitamin C Capsule Cream, and this has vitamin C and also niacinamide. And let me show you guys, this is such a beautiful cream. I've already destroyed it. So this has these yellow thing that you see. It actually has this white jelly and then yellow like dot particles that you can see. It actually looks somewhat like the egg that you see. You have the white portion, then you have this yellow thing. So it's something like this only. These yellow particle actually contains the plant oil that gives you deep hydration, and it also has vitamin C. So if you're applying this cream, do not forget to apply the sunscreen over this. This also has a lot of anti-aging properties, so this is definitely a good product if you want to buy like a good moisturizing vitamin C cream that is infused with something that is going to give you deep moisturizing and also, you know, hydrate your skin. So you can definitely consider this cream. So out of all these products that I have, you must be wondering, Ambika, you've just said good about all of these products. Is there anything negative, or are you being really honest about it? To be very honest, I loved all of these products and I'm genuinely a fan of Medicube. Not because they've sent me these products or I did a collaboration with them, but I genuinely am interested in, you know, repurchasing their product. So let me tell you guys what products I'm going to definitely repurchase are, first of all, this Medicube Zero Toner Pad, then definitely like 2000% this Medicube's Deep Vitamin C Capsule Cream, because I can't tell you guys how good this moisturizing cream is. If you're looking for like a vitamin C cream, then you guys need to buy this cream. Then I am also impressed by the collagen night trapping mask, so I'm definitely going to buy this again for sure. And I'm also definitely going to purchase the Medicube's Exosome Shorts 2000. Of course, once this repairs my skin and, you know, the pores that I have on my skin, then I'll definitely stop applying this and I'll stop buying this. But yeah, because all of these products have a lot of, you know, similar properties of collagen boosting and stuff, I would just, if given an opportunity of buying or, you know, choosing between these two, I would recommend buying this over this. But yeah, if you're looking for serum, then you can definitely consider this. But if you are already applying a lot of serums that have peptides or, you know, collagen extractions, then you can definitely go for a moisturizing cream. So overall, I'm a big fan of this brand. The products are not very cheap, of course, so you have to be very mindful of what product to buy. But you can consider the ingredients that you're looking for are there in any of these products, then I highly recommend you guys to purchase them. And I have also given you guys a live trial of the Exosome Shorts, so don't be scared of this product. You can definitely try and test this on your skin and apply this. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming with more skincare, fashion, travel, styling and food related videos on my channel, so stay tuned. See you in the next video. Love you all. Bye bye.